Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add a clock widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Now from here, just tap on widgets. Now just scroll down and tap on clock. Now from here, just select the clock widget which you like. I will select this one. Now just drag the widget to your home screen, just like that. Now from here you can resize the clock widget as you like, just like that. And this is how you can add clock widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.